हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ Lagrange's मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम एंड रोल्स थ्योरम। आइए देखते हैं ये क्या है। दिस टॉपिक इज जनरली आस्क्ड इन जेई एडवांस एंड मेंस एज वेल। सो लेट्स अज्यूम दैट देयर इज अ फंक्शन f of x which is a differentiable and continuous function in the interval a comma b, open interval a comma b. Now what Lagrange's mean value theorem says is that there exists a point between a and b. Let's call that point C. So C is in between A and B, such that f dash of C, which means differential of the function x at that point C, is equal to f of B minus f of A whole divided by B minus A. Now what does this mean? We can understand this the formula in a very simple way. Like, let's assume that there is a function from A to B. The value of the function here is f of A and the value of the function here is f of B. Then it is saying that f of B minus f of A by B minus A. So that is nothing but the slope. If you draw a straight line between A and B, I haven't drawn it properly, but it's a straight line between f of A and f of B, then the slope of this line is nothing but f of B minus A by f of A, f of B minus f of A by B minus A. That is the slope of this line. And then it is telling that there must exist some point in between A and B such that the slope of that point, the slope at that point must also be same as this average slope between A and B. So as you can see here that there must be a point. You can see that there is a point over here which is almost having a parallel line to this, and therefore its slope must be same. So that is what the overall meaning of this LMBT theorem. Now Rolle's theorem is just the special case of Lagrange's value theorem. So where we assume that the function value at A and B are same, which means the function is kind of returning at the same value. Here it is A and here it is B. The value of the function at both these points is the same. So in this case, there exists a point f dash C in between A and B such that it is equal to again the same value like f of B minus f of A. But the thing is, f of B minus f of A will become equal to 0 in this case. The meaning of this is that since the function has to return to the same value, it is kind of, you can see here that it's going up and then coming down. So in between there must be a point where the value of the slope is becoming 0, which means it is getting a horizontal line, as you can see here, parallel to the x-axis. So hope you enjoyed this video and got a good understanding of LMBT and Rolle's theorem. I will be coming up with problems around this topic. Please like and subscribe our channel, share it with your friends. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Have a great day. Thank you.